Morning everyone, and welcome again to Green Ethics videos. So this video is going to be a little bit different today. We're going into a little bit of Green Ethics history. When we just started the farm, we started with some aquaponics, and then we moved on to some raised beds and other types of farming. So aquaponics is a type of farming where we actually raise fish and grow vegetables at the same time. So this is done by using the waste from the fish to actually fertilize the plants, and the plants actually clean the water for the fish before it goes back to the fish. So pretty interesting. So let's go. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. Someone who not like and subscribe, watch and go about on a business that can work.
Now this is what used to be our aquaponics farm. Now it's more of a forestoponics. As you can see, there are some fish still alive in here by some miracle. I actually still feed the fish and pump the water around to keep the system cycled, but it can go for a long time without food.
So from here, the water flows into this 2-inch pipe into the first filter. This is called the radial flow filter, and it filters out the large solid particles. This allows water to flow downwards in the filter and larger solid particles to settle, while clear water rises up to the surface, then goes into another 2-inch pipe to the other filter. The other filter actually works by physically trapping smaller particles. It has larger stones at the bottom, gravel in the middle, and mesh at the top, which serve as a final strainer. This is the biofilter, and this is where all the action happens. This is aerated and has a lot of media, and this media has a lot of surface area for bacteria to grow and thrive. These bacteria break down toxic ammonia from the fish waste and turn them into nitrates, which are available for the plants to use. So from here, it is gravity fed through this 2-inch pipe, which goes into the ground and back into the deep water culture bed, which is where our plants live. The plants then absorb the nutrients, and then the water is pumped back to the fish tank, where the cycle repeats again. Yes, I know you're thinking it. Why does it look like this? So it all started when we lost the roof. Then there was non-stop rain, and then it went all downhill from there. And the good thing now is that I'm going to rebuild it and show everybody how to Jamaica aquaponics. So these are just some pictures of what it used to look like. Hopefully the new one will look better. Thanks for watching again, and have a good one.